Get all wrapped up in these Mummy Rice Krispie treats this Halloween. They are the classic marshmallow Rice Krispie treats that you love, decorated with chocolate, which we love as well. We also love Katelyn Nemelka, who is joining me to share the details on these adorable cereal treats. It's great to have you.
Thank you.
These really are adorable. What does Halloween look like at your house right now, Katelyn?
So anything for the holidays is just magical for us. I love to create the magic with my kids. So pumpkin patches, going to anything fun, outdoors activities, as long as the weather's good.
It's cooperated so far.
This year it's been great.
I think it's changing, but so far
we always
so
host
good.
a Halloween party, trick-or-treating, pumpkin patches.
What's the basis for these treats, these cereal treats?
Okay, so you can use the regular Kellogg's Rice Krispie treats.
Oh, thank you.
Which is what we're using today.
Thank you. Moms everywhere unite.
Moms everywhere, please make it as easy as possible.
Sure.
Or you can obviously make your own.
Okay,
regular rice cereal, butter, and marshmallows.
Which they're always better that way, but
and
this time
you
of
have
year,
to let them harden. If you do it that way, you got to let them kind of harden up a little bit before you dip them.
We've got a Frankenstein, we've got a spider, and we've got
a mummy, and a witch.
And a witch. Who are we starting with?
Today we're going to start with the mummy.
Okay, teach me.
Okay, so we are going to start with this. This is a straw that we've cut in half.
Okay.
And you're going to just dip a little tiny.
Where is our mummy?
Bit of chocolate, the white one.
This one? So this is what we're doing?
Yep.
Okay, I need inspiration. Go ahead.
You can look right at it. So dip a little tiny bit of chocolate, and that just helps to secure the stick into the
Why can't more of the world be secured with chocolate?
Right? That would be a lot of our problems would be solved.
Okay.
Okay, and then if it's in there good, you just dip.
Oh, it's perfect for that mason jar width.
Yes. And
dip to dip.
I'm gonna move these so you can see it.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put it here.
Okay.
I'm gonna face it outwards so they can see it.
I'm not, because I'm not the professional.
And then you're gonna put your little eyeballs on.
Okay.
And you can put these wherever you want. On our Frankensteins and stuff, you gotta put them a little lower.
Okay.
And then just melt some more chocolate.
And I love that you're just using a plastic bag.
Make it so easy. My kids love this. You're gonna cut just a teeny little tip.
Just warmed chocolate in here, melted chocolate.
Off the tip of that.
Okay. And drizzle.
And drizzle.
It's coming out, so.
Yep, drizzle all over. Just don't get on his eyes.
Right.
And then you wanna go kind of like crisscross, sideways.
Preserve the line of sight,
whatever you want. Yeah.
Look at that, that's adorable.
Yes.
Oh, that's so cute.
And then you take a little bit of silver or white sprinkles. I brought silver today. And just dust them on there.
Okay, I'm proud as punch.
That.
I mean, I know it
there
wasn't
you
hard.
go.
Don't worry,
I know,
I'm
how
not
easy is
overinflated, but
fun to do for kids. My kids love it.
Okay, what's our next creature?
Our next one is going to be Frankenstein.
Okay.
So all you do for that is you're going to dye your
he's cute.
white chocolate green.
Oh.
And you would do this for the witch too. So whatever mummies you're making first, do that first. So you're not wasting your chocolate.
Love that. This is such an efficient way to use the chocolate too.
Yes. Really mix that in there.
I
Get
mean,
it whatever green color you like.
A big bowl would work, but it's so nice that it fits right into the lip of that jar.
And it keeps it hot and melted.
Yeah.
And, you know, at home you can just microwave it and
it's a good
do
trick.
it however you want.
Okay, we need the stick again, right?
Yep. So stick again.
Dip to dip.
Dip.
My kids would flip. They would love this.
You need to do it.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
We've done it with mine several times, and they love them. Okay, and then we dip again.
And it's a great green. It's not too spooky.
Yeah.
It's
and
not.
You can make it as dark as you want.
I know, but sometimes if the coloring's
back out this
too
way.
off, I can't eat it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna do the eyeballs. On this one, you wanna put the eyeballs about halfway down because we're gonna give Frankenstein a little bit of hair.
Okay.
So just more in the middle.
Yep.
Okay, now cut your tip of your chocolate bag.
The brown?
Yep, and this is just melted chocolate chips.
Okay. Oh, it's coming.
Yep, there you go.
What am I doing?
Okay, so just a little swirl on the
his hair.
Yep.
I was like, help.
So just like this.
A chocolate emergency is what I was feeling.
Okay, and then
his crisscross.
tip your bag upward.
Oh.
Yep, you're doing it right. You're
got it.
Ahead. Yep. So make your little stitching marks. So just a line.
Okay, yeah,
and then your stitches.
He's had a hard day, this Frank. I mean, I think I got a little too excited on the tip snip.
Yeah, you do have to make it very tiny.
Sorry, my bad. Okay, I've learned.
I've learned. Okay, now keep this one because we're going to need them for the next one.
What's the next one?
So the next one, we are going to do a spider, and it is super simple.
Let's see it.
So we're not dipping.
Oh, we're not dipping.
Well, we're going to dip the stick, I guess.
Dip the stick.
Oh, and I got it on me.
I just did a little, I think I got caught.
A little lick.
Yeah, a little cleanup.
So dip your stick, and then this one, you're going to make with a Reese's peanut butter cup.
Oh, no way.
So we are going to use just a tiny bit of our chocolate.
Okay.
And just wherever you're going to place your Reese's cup, you just make a little swirl.
Okay.
Yep. And then grab a Reese's
they're
cup.
the minis.
These are the minis.
These are dangerous.
These are so cute.
These are dangerous.
Okay, and then if you want to hold it, it might be easier.
Oh.
Take your piping bag.
What am I doing? Oh, I did a stick.
If yours is too thick, you can use mine.
It's fine.
And you're gonna make 8 little legs, and you can start on your Reese's cup.
1, 2. Yeah, this one's not gonna work with me. Oh, well, hey, hold on. Hold on.
And you just do 4 off to each side.
He's just a very relaxed spider. He's kind of like chilling out.
He's chilling out.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, these are so simple but so cute. And there's something so satisfying about making it. Like I did that.
And then if you want, you can add eyeballs onto these ones too.
Yeah.
So you just pipe a little bit of your chocolate on there, and it makes them just add a little bit of character.
This is so cute, Katelyn.
Nice.
Thank you so much. We love to see your creativity through food. I'm going to grab a rag for both of us.
Yes, thank you.
We love to see your creativity through food and through your charcuterie boards. How can we see more of your work?
So you can find me on all social media channels, Cured and Cut.
Okay.
And I'm on Facebook and Instagram.
And you do this for people, for parties, for events.
Yes. Yep.
You're so good at the curation. I mean, there's an art to that. We know by now, the charcuterie board, but also putting in these fun touches.
And it just adds in a lot of character and personality into your boards versus just throwing on all the candy.
Yeah.
You know, and adding on your little skeleton and stuff.
Yeah.
I love the Nut Garden. They're in Bluffdale, and they are so awesome with all of their different types of candies.
Awesome.
This is a candy corn popcorn.
Oh my goodness.
Like flavored popcorn.
So the extra, like
so
the gourmet type flavors. Give us your handle again.
I'm Cured and Cut.
Cured and Cut. Thank you so much.
Thank
Super
you
fun.
so much.